How to create information in information management. Do you want to create information rapidly and innovatively? Use the Create method of information management. It is a managed process with 8 steps. Before the start, the involved stakeholders have defined the goals and scope. Now, the information managers know exactly which pieces of information have to be created. Step 1. Assigning the information units. The accountable and the information manager assign the information units to the IT expert. The subject matter experts are the responsibles. Step 2. The information manager meets each of the responsibles. The information manager briefly shows the big picture. Then the two of them can quickly define the structure of the information units. They create the headlines and high-level bullet points for their content. Step 3. Now, the technical description is done in no time. The subject matter expert describes the technical part. As the structure and content is already clear, this does not take too much time. Step 4. The review by the information manager. It is a rough review by the information manager to ensure that this version is mature enough to be reviewed by a second subject matter expert. Step 5. Creating the flow diagrams and graphics. Here, the information manager creates the flow diagrams and graphics. In Step 6, the information unit is reviewed by a second IT expert. It's only a rough review. The subject matter expert examines the technical correctness and completeness. Step 7. Are we ready for publication? Yes, almost. Right before publication, the information manager checks again the compliance with formal criteria, language, grammar, logic, links, etc. And if everything is alright, then the information unit is published by the information manager. Step 8 is the last step. It is a final review in the iPortal. At the end, the reviewer performs another review in the iPortal. The method of creating information is how we obtain such a high quality. And, of course, the subject matter experts save a lot of time, because they focus on what they do best.